Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you download YouTube videos so that you can view them offline on your mobile app when you do not have internet access, or I'll also show you another way how you can download videos into your gallery. So the first one is that you just go to your YouTube, and now this only works for such videos that actually have the download option available. Like,
Get
for
it, big
example,
boy.
this one, it does have the download option, and I can press view and it is downloading, among my other downloads, which are mostly such videos you usually require in the gym. So now, if you want to tweak
This
with
girl
the
cannot get enough of
download
Chris
settings,
Bumstead,
you
and
can
she
always
seems to be in
tap
love
on the
with him
top
and
right
his
of
physique.
your profile,
But she is enjoying
and you
herself
can
too
go
much
to
to care
settings,
how thirsty she looks.
and now you will have offline. Press offline, and now you have these download
Chris
settings, and
Bumstead
you
talks
can
about his
change the
weirdest
download
fan
quality
moments.
from
A
here,
shy woman was
depending
following him
upon
around, and then
what's your
finally
mobile
got the courage
storage
to
or
approach
whatever.
him. Watch what happens
And
next.
you have a bunch of other options,
in
like
shock, talking to me,
should YouTube
and then
recommend you
asked
some
for a hug, asked for a
downloads
picture of me
future,
kissing on the
or
cheek,
if you
and then
want
she
to
actually
download
slid
Wi-Fi only.
her room number
So you
into
can
my
tweak
pocket
ahead with those,
and kind of walked away.
if
It
you
was a
want.
little movie
And
scene,
once
but I was
you
shocked.
turn
I
the
was like,
Wi-Fi
this is not
off, I'm
just
going to turn
happening.
my Wi-Fi off. My video just downloaded. So now I can go back to my YouTube, and now you see these are the downloaded videos, so I can just play any one of
Welcome
it,
to
and
level
it
4.
will
Do the
definitely
first workout. It's gonna be just
go
plank
on.
step-ups.
It would run just fine. So that is how you download videos without internet. Another way to do it would be, you can always just go ahead and Google download YouTube, convert YouTube videos to MP4 or MP3, and what
Welcome
you can
to
do
level
is you
4.
can basically just copy the link. I don't know if the link is available when you're in offline mode. Most probably not.
Welcome to level 4,
but usually
the
you
elite
press the
level
share
of my
button.
app workout training
Wait,
program. If one of your
let me just
goals is to
restart
build
the
some
app, or
six-pack
maybe
abs,
it
then
will
make
come
sure to stick
online.
around for this video. Let's get right into it, man.
Nope, it's not.
Oh.
Now if I restart the app, and if I select any video at all, this goes for the ones which do not even have the download option. You press the share button, and you can copy the link here, right? Once you copy the link, you can go ahead and paste it on any of these websites. When you Google convert to MP4 or MP3, there are many websites, you can find them easily. Just paste the link and press download, and you will be able to look at the video in your gallery. So that was pretty much all from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.